Right, so I hope everyone's right. This is another quick video of another knife that was sent to me by the people at tacticalknives.co.uk. Again, I'll put some images of their website and everything on in a minute, and this knife in particular, so you kind of know how much it costs, whatever. They've got a discount code on there which is JJR 10. So if you do buy anything and you put that discount code in, you'll get a discount. So they sent me this one, which is, it says on the end, Adventure Lock Knife. Right, so that's the knife there. Got orange blade, orange and black blade, and some orange and black bits on the handle. Now, you might not like that, but if you had this as a knife as part of your bug out bag, having bright fluorescent colours is a good idea, because if you drop it, at least you can see it. So that's quite a good idea, the colours. Alright, the overall length of this is about just under 8.5 inches. And the blade is 3.5 inches long. I can't tell you the weight or anything. It's not very heavy. It's not bad feel in the hand. It is partially serrated, which some people like, some people don't. Just there. Don't seem a bad little knife. Good for whacking in a bug out bag or something. So it's got a flipper and thumb studs for opening it one hand. Steel wise, I don't know, it may tell you on the website, but I'll give it a go at cutting a bit of a trigger mechanism, because that's what I would use these knives for, so might as well have a go. I'll put some images up now of the website. Right, so obviously you'll have to cut this portion rather than the bottom part, because that's serrated, which will come in handy for all sorts of things, but for the trigger mechanism we're going to use the top part, if you know what I mean. Pretty sharp. Not decently sharp yet. Use this gristle saw a bit. Like I said in the other video, because this is the kind of thing that I would use the knives for, that's why I would practice it with the knife, or test it with the knife, if you know what I mean. Or do a trapper's tri-stick would be even better. No point me carving or slicing up bits of paper, because that's not what I'm going to be using it for. I'm going to be using it for carving wood, cutting things. Yeah, so it did that part of a spring snare. Pretty good, pretty easy. Only thing I did notice is that these parts here, if you can see them, do slightly dig into your thumb when you cut him. But that was a nice sharp knife. It was sharp, to be honest. This was sharper than the old bear as well. Like I said, that old bear, I reckon you could get that very sharp pretty easily. Yeah, so little combat tactical adventure lock knife from tacticalknives.co.uk. Loads of different knives on there, worth having a look at, definitely. And like I said, they got a discount code on there, so you can get a discount. Yeah, I quite like this knife. Different, and at least if you dropped it on the floor, you'd have a chance of seeing it. Nothing worse than a camouflage knife or anything like that, where when you dropped it, you'll never find it. That orange would give you it'd give you a bit of a chance to find it. Right, anyway, have a look. Cheers for watching. I'll see you later.